Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add Telegram group members. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram. Then just enter a group where you are an admin. That's actually my test group with some random content. And now here, in order to add new members here, you can just tap right here at a group name. That opens up group settings, and right here you can easily find Add Members feature. Just tap on that. That opens up your contacts book, and from here you can easily add the new members to the group just by simply check marking the persons whom you want to add to your group in that simple way. Also, in order to find some specific person, you can use search. Just hit right here at the search field, and then you can just start typing anything, and it immediately shows you the results. You can just check mark new persons to add them to the group. Once you finished with that, just hit on done, and as you can see, new members has just been added to the group. You can see new members right here at that members list. In any time you can go back here, and let's say you want to remove some member from here, so you can just swipe over to the left on that username, and from here you can tap on delete to remove that guy from your group. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you will find another useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.